So here we are in Abitare Hotel, Cusco. I think this place is actually larger than our actual home. Here we've got some pretty cool leaves. This is coca leaves. Steep this in hot water and make coca tea, which will help with any sort of altitude sickness. This should last us the next 4 days. That baby cost us 12 soles. Pure water. Cheers to making it. Stanley in typical fashion over here. Gonna just crush that by himself. Here we are in Plaza de Armas. We got the gang. What do you think?
It's good. It's hard to breathe because of the elevation, but
yeah,
pretty good. Nice.
Gotta catch your breath. Alright, this is called Lengua de Suegra, which is tongue of the mother-in-law. We also got some chocolate. Here is the ponche. Ponche de leche. I got it. You guys ready?
Yeah. Ready to go. Ready.
Are you all ready? Finally in, train's moving. Alright, tell us where we are, weatherman.
We are currently in the beautiful city, just outside of Cusco, heading to Machu Picchu right now.
What's the city called?
You know what? I wish I knew.
Aguas Calientes.
Wait, what, Harry? What was it?
Aguas Calientes.
Oh, it's Aguas Calientes.
Because there are hot springs here.
There's hot springs here.
Well, here we are, folks. It's a beautiful day at Machu Picchu. It's all about that poncho life. We found the other group.
No, we just wandering around, man.
You should join our crew, and then maybe they won't call the cops on you.
Oh, yeah, they already did. We got told, you can't go that way. You have to leave. And I was like, yeah, okay.
You guys are troublemakers. So we're currently learning from Dr. Estrada here that Steven took his malaria pills several days too early.
It was more a matter of reading than it was of actual doctor work.
Yep.
So if it's cut, like this is one of the boringest things I've ever heard of.
I don't think it's cut. All right, we're currently looking for.
He's probably standing right in front of
He is, I think. We're currently looking for the what is it? 12-angled stone. Piedra de 12. How do you say edges? Piedra de 12 something. All right, this is it. We have 12 angles here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Steven's doing his over-the-shoulder look right now. He does this everywhere. Except I don't ever see the photos posted anywhere.
Not yet, but you will see.
All right. Chicha cheers.
Chicha cheers.
Ají de gallina, caldo de gallina, something,
Real good.
and something else. We are currently at Sacsay Woman, another Incan ruin. It's currently raining. Short of breath because we're like another 1,000 feet up. But we're good. So Sacsay Woman, is that how you say it? Means satisfied falcon. They call it that because from the time that the Incans were slaughtered by the Spaniards, there were thousands of bodies here that the falcons then would come and eat and become satisfied. These rocks, we have no idea how they were perfectly placed to build this. This is just half the size. But what's really cool is the fact that it's still been standing and there's no mortar that's fitting between it, and you can't even fit a thin piece of paper in between it.
How are you holding up?
It's a little chilly, it's a little wet, but our $2 umbrellas will come. Thank you, Watsons. And here we are inside a market at San Blas. So this is chicha morada.
The potato itself is going to be a rock.
Oh, that's so weird.
These are dehydrated potatoes. All right, Nina found her chisitos, except they're not spicy. Oh, and she's got her Cheetos too. Flaming hot. Go figure. All right, we're currently grabbing some fruit smoothies. Right now, she's currently blending a fruit called lucuma, and it's that one right there. Apparently it tastes like ice cream coffee, I guess. Un poquito. So this is the neighborhood of San Blas, and you can see that the colors are blue and white. There are really narrow alleyways over here that we just walked through, and even all the way up there, that's part of San Blas. There are no vehicles allowed. It's all foot traffic only. So we just learned that this right here used to be a river, and if you look at a map of former Cusco during the Incan times, it's in the shape of a puma. And Cusco is from the word Cusco in Quechua, which means Cusco means
Helmet.
navel.
Oh, navel.
Belly button, because the Incans believed that Cusco was the center of the entire universe. So that right there is the smallest carved stone in the entire Incan Empire. The stone itself is about 1 square centimeter, but the entire length of it is about a foot deep. Gotta try some Peruvian pizza, so we are currently at Pizzeria Trattoria Casa Grande, and check out what we're working with here. Pretty solid. Alright, pizza's out of the oven. Chorizo y salami, which is like just ham. Hawaiian, yeah, there's Hawaiian, but it's because they actually use peach in it too, so it's pineapple and peach. And this is your traditional mozzarella. And these purple drinks, we got our chicha. Okay, brown guy. No, no, no. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you ripped that guy.
You want some?
Oh, he's peeing. We're currently at an alpaca farm, and we are feeding and petting these cute little things. Oh, he went. He's like, you gave me, I'm gone. Absolutely need to pick this one.
Oh yeah, okay.
All these varieties of colors for the dye come directly from these organic, yeah, like plants and leaves and stuff. Steven, what are your thoughts? Ben, what are your thoughts?
Many thoughts.
Many thoughts. Many thoughts in the Sacred Valley. Another gorgeous view here. Sounds all checking out our sick pic. Check that out.
But you can't see anything down there though.
It's so good. All right, the gentlemen have made it a little closer to the top. Hopefully we won't be mummified in one of these.
Yep.
So we are witnessing Stanley buying some nice sterling silver, 95%, for his lady friend. This is Vicuña fiber. Something like this is around 2,000 US. So we've got a few different flavors. We're getting chicken, beef, a pizza flavor, and then also a cheese and basil. I'm really sad, but these guys are really cute, but they're gonna be eaten. And there they are. And this right here is the oldest pre-civilization hairless Peruvian dog. And here I found an authentic Incan farmer. All right, we made it to the top here.
Look at this.
All the way from down there. And we made it back down. Had a quick pit stop here, grabbing some corn. Cheers.